Okay friends, today I'll teach you about numbers. Rational number, irrational numbers. The real numbers are divided into rational and irrational. So what is real numbers? Numbers that are not imaginary are called real numbers. What is imaginary numbers? Imaginary numbers are numbers that doesn't exist. Example, if I say square root of -5, it is an imaginary number. It doesn't exist. So such numbers are imaginary, and the numbers which exist are called real numbers. Real numbers are then again divided into rational and irrational. Rational and irrational. Now, irrational are the numbers which have square root and cube roots of numbers which can't give you an exact answers. Example, square root of 5, square root of 3, 2 square root 7. These can't give you exact answers. So these numbers are called irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are all the integers are called rational numbers. All the integers are called rational numbers. So this is again divided. Integers and non-integers. Rational numbers are again divided into integers and non-integers. What are integers? All the numbers are called integers. Okay, like -1, 2, 3, then 0. All the numbers are called integers. I can say -2, -3, -1, 0, then 3, 5. Any number is called integer. Okay, it is also given as a sign Z. The symbol given for integers is Z. Okay, what are non-integers? All the fractions are called non-integers. All fractions are called non-integers. But one condition has to be applied. The denominator cannot be 0. The denominator cannot be 0 is called non-integers. Okay, so I can say 1/2, 3/5. All these are non-integers. Okay, so I'll repeat. Real numbers are divided into rational and irrational. Rational is divided into integers and non-integers. All the numbers are called integers and fractions are called non-integers. Irrational numbers are square roots and cube roots of numbers which doesn't give you an exact answer. So if I say square root of 36, square root of 36 is 6. So what it is? It's a rational number. Okay. But if I say square root of 23, then it is irrational because I can't give you an exact answer. Okay, this is clear? Now I will go to the next part. Okay friends, next I will teach you how to find out whether the number is rational or irrational. So how will we do it? There is a question here, 2 plus square root 2, the whole square. Find out whether it's rational or irrational. Here in arithmetic right now I am using the formula of algebra, a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so what will I do here? A square is 2 square, b square is square root of 2, the whole square, square root 2 square, then plus 2 into 2 into square root 2. What is this? 4 plus square root 2 square is 2 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 square root 2. What will be my answer? 6 plus 4 square root 2. 6 plus 4 square root 2. Can I solve this further? No. Because square root 2 is an irrational number. Understand this. Because square root 2 is an irrational number, because square root of 2 doesn't have an exact answer, it is irrational. Because this is irrational, the whole thing is irrational. So this is an irrational number. Okay? Understood? Next, let's do one number which is rational. Let's see. Okay friends, my next sum. This is the question. Multiply 5 plus square root 5 into 5 minus square root 5. Which algebra formula is this? It is a plus b into a minus b. What is the answer for the a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So I'll directly do that. What is a? 5. 5 square minus b square. What is b square? Square root 5 square. So that is 25 minus square root 5 into square root 5 is 5. 5. So what is my answer? 20. Is 20 a rational or irrational? Rational, right? So this is a rational number. Easy? Once you understand this, rational and irrational is very easy. Okay, now I will teach you how to find out rational numbers and which is a greater rational number. Okay. I have two numbers here. I have two numbers written here. I have to find out which rational number is greater. Which rational number is greater, and at the same time I have to insert rational numbers between this and write them in ascending order. Okay, then my question is this: which one is greater? Insert rational numbers between these numbers and write them in an ascending order. First, how will I find out which one is greater? So I'll write 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. What should I do? I should find LCM. When I find LCM of 5 and 7, my LCM will be 35. What is the LCM? 35 of 5 and 7. Okay? After finding the LCM, 35. So 5 7s are 35. So here again 7. 7 5s are 35. So now 3 7s are 21. And this is 25. If you don't know how to do this, please see my fractions video. Okay, so I found out the LCM, then I wrote this. Now in this, which is greater? Because the denominators are same, we can say 21 is smaller and this is greater. So I will write 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. Okay, by seeing this I found out this was 3 by 5 and this was 5 by 7. This is greater, right? 25. So this is greater. Now, my next question was to insert rational numbers between them. Okay. Now, I write 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. What I have to do? I have to insert rational number here. Now, to insert rational number here, always remember, to insert rational numbers, there is a formula to insert rational numbers. Please remember this formula. A plus B by 2. Where this is A and this is B. A plus B by 2 will give you a rational number between them. If I have to put an irrational number, it will be A into B square root of AB. This will give you irrational number, and here this is for rational number, the formula. Remember these two formulas. The question is asking me only rationals, I am not doing this. Okay. Now 3 by 5 plus 5 by 7. What was the LCM there? Divided by 2. What was the LCM there? LCM was 35. So I will use that 35. This was 21 by 35 plus 25 by 35 by 2. So I will write next step 21 plus 25 by 70. How I got 70? 35 into 2. Okay, I got 70. Now when I add these two, what will I get? 46 by 70. 46 by 70. Now I have to simplify this. What I have to do? I have to simplify this. So that will be 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are 6, this is here 35, that is 23 by 35. So my order is 3 by 5, then 23 by 35, then 5 by 7. Okay, this is my ascending order. Now they are asking me to insert more than one rational number. Because they are asking me to insert more than one rational number, what will I do here? I will now take this as A and the another one as this as B. Now it will be 3 by 5 plus 23 by 35 by 2. Now when I have to solve this, again I have to take an LCM. LCM of 35 and 5. Again, what is the LCM? 35. Again, LCM is 35. So it will be 21 by 35 plus 23 by 35. Why 23? Because 35 into 1, 23 into 1. Again, this will be 44 by 35 by 2. So I'll take this here. So it will be 44 by 70. Now I have to solve this. When I solve this, I'll get 22 and 35. So my next number is 22 by 35. 3 by 5, 22 by 35, then 23 by 35, then 5 by 7. So on, I can keep adding rational numbers between them by using this method. Now if I want to find one more rational number, I can take this and this, A and B, and do again, or I can take these two as A and B. Last time I took this and this, right? This time I can take these two, or I can take these two. Find a number and then I can add that rational number in between. Okay? If I have to find irrational, what I would have done? 3 by 5 into 5 by 7, which is 3 5s are 15 by 35, square root of this. This is an irrational number that I have to insert in between. Okay? I can simplify this. 5 3s are 5 7s are, that is 3 by 7. Okay? So square root of 3 by 7 would be an irrational number between them. Okay? Okay. One more sum, whether the question is rational or irrational. Now again the same formula. A minus B the whole square. What is the answer? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay? So A square is square root 3 square plus square root 2 square minus 2 into square root 3 into square root 2. This is 3 plus 2 minus 2 square root 6. 2 square root 6. So what it will be? 5 minus 2 square root 6. Do square root 6 have an exact answer? No. Because square root 6 is an irrational number, so the whole equation is irrational. So this is an irrational number. Any doubts on rational and irrational? Please contact me. Thank you.